Graph the function f of x is 2 mod x take away mod 4 minus x on the axes below, and use the graph to solve the inequality given here. Now, of course, we're on calculator assumed now, so we can graph this on the calculator. So 2 mod x take away mod 4 minus x. Let's graph that. Now obviously we want a better picture of that. Let's use the same axes that we've got here. So we'll go from -6 to 6 on the x-axis, and let's go from -4 up to 12 on the y-axis, and then we get a picture here. Now the detail on this is just about good enough to actually, so just changing that, to really draw it quite accurately here. So we can see that it goes through -4 here and also -4 there, and that's a straight line section along that bit. Like so. Now it turns again here, and I can see that that point there is at 4,8. Just to make sure, I could do, let's do a G-solve, do a Y-cal when x is 4, and I can see it is there at 4,8. So 4,8. So we've got another straight line section that goes from there to there, and then I can see it turns, and I probably don't need to be too accurate with this, but I can do another Y-cal. Let's do it when x is 5, and I can see that's at 5,9. So 5,9 means it goes through that point there, like so. Now, what about this inequality? Well, I can rearrange that easily enough to 2 mod x take away mod 4 minus x is greater than or equal to 2. And note the left hand side is this. So if I now just draw on here y equals 2, so I'm going to be after from here back this way, and from here this way. Sorry, not from there, from there this way. So it looks like -6 and 2, but we can always confirm that by, let's just change this a little bit. So let's make that sort of -7. And OK that, and then let's put on y is 2, and then graph both of them, and then analysis, G-solve, and intersection, and there we go, it is at -6, and the blue one is above once we get to the left of that, so we can say x is less than -6, and over here get another intersection at 2, 2, so x is greater than 2. Just checking, this is a greater than or equal to, so I think this should be a less than or equal to, and this one should be a greater than or equal to.